हाय गाइस, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा शुरुआत में मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ अब इसमें साइकिल का मोटर, हब मोटर दैट वी कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू एनी साइकिल्स. So this is basically a motor, a hub motor. They are the holes for the spokes. इसमें spokes fit हो सकते हैं. This is a 36 volt motor, 240 watt. We have also available 48 volts, 350 watt. The speed of this motor is 30 plus, including with this motor. This is an accelerator, display accelerator with the key lock, and a light for LEDs containing, and with a set of brake levers. And with this is a controller. Controller 24 volt, 36 volt supportable, 250 watt to 350 watt. These are the couplers for the connection. This is for the sensor. These two for the batteries, black and red for positive and negative. These three are for the motor, yellow, blue and green. These three, yellow, blue and green. These are the sensors, and there are various couplers for the accelerator, light, reverse, horn, various, and including in this I forgot that including the light, it has horn also in the back side. So thank you guys, please supporting me.
Let it bang, bang.